if you want to use the interpreter on your Samsung Galaxy A56, so first of all, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Let's tap on this pencil icon and let's press edit. So some Samsung phones have a built-in interpreter, right? So let's look for this option. And unluckily, there is no option. Let's press done. It's totally fine. Let's press done again. Let's install some Google Interpreter. So open up your Play Store, tap search, and locate your Google Translate. Now press install and give it some time to be installed. Now open up your Google Translate. And now you can open up your conversation mode. So this conversation mode, let's give all the necessary permissions, right? Press got it. So our conversation mode has this live translation. So translates in the real time. And with this option, you can talk and it's gonna be automatically translated. And basically that's it. Also, it has an auto language detection. So if I will start speaking Spanish, habla español, right? So it's automatically detects Spanish. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.